Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Google Sheet in Node.js. So today we are going to learn how to update the values to the Google Sheet with the help of the Node.js. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here you can see I need to update the values. So if I go and just add this one 0 and send data updated Rajnikant 0, it's updated, but it's updating at the row first, okay, not the specific part. So if you want to do the specific part, what we have to do is, let me go to the code level. So currently here you can see that it required the values and update function, okay, which requires auth spreadsheet id range. So here the range is issue, right? So here I just specify the range a1, okay. So here a1, if I go to with the a2 and save this one and try to restart this application. So here node server.js await.auth client. Again there is issue where it is. It's in the 21 line number. 21 line number, I think I just haven't used the 21 line number. 21, so it's not required over here. Save this and try to run. Okay, now we are trying to update. Previously we have a here you can see that when we have a create function, then we have a read, then we have a modify, okay, update. So previously it's a1, so it's updating the a1, okay, so it's a1. So if I want to update a2 a3, so you need to specify the range here, okay. So here now I am just using the a2, right? So I want to update that one, so here I will just use test, okay, and try to just update it by send. Error in updating, caller does not have permission updating data the caller. I think this id we haven't added, so let me add this id, because I think some mistakenly I have update control z something, so that's the reason. So I need to add the sheet name over here, so that's the issue over here. Okay, now trying to update this sheet. Okay, now try to update this one. Okay, so data updated. So here you can see that at the second one test is added. Okay, so this is how we are able to update the data in the Google Sheet with the help of the Node.js. You can also update, like, you can see the series, you can pass the array and loop it through it, okay, and you here you need to make the range, right, and according to it data to update. Okay, so this way also, if you want to update the multiple data, then you can also do that. If you want to insert the in multiple, you can also do the same part. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Let me showcase the update parts. I think I have updated, but here you can see we have the required dot values, and here you need to pass the range of that sheet where the part you need to update, resources, which things you need to update. If updated, then this message appears, data updated successfully, and if anything error occurs, then error data updating part. Okay, so this is how we are going to update the data in the Google Sheet. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.